Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Labor channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of apps not downloading on your iPhone. Now the first thing that you have to do is go to your settings app and then tap on your Apple ID and then scroll all the way down and then tap on sign out. Now enter your Apple ID password and then sign out. After that, sign back in again and then see if the problem is solved. If not, then move on to the next step. For that, what you have to do is force restart our iPhone. So all you need to do is press the volume up button and the volume down button and then press and hold the side button. So volume up, volume down, press and hold the side button until you see the screen goes black. So just keep holding, and now let go of the side button. And within a few seconds, you will see the Apple logo reappear, as you can see here. And once your phone restarts, check to see if the problem is solved. If not, we will try the third step. Now for the next fix, what you have to do is open your settings app. From here, scroll down and then go to screen time and then scroll down again and then go to content and privacy restrictions. Now from here, tap on allowed apps and then make sure that all the apps are allowed in here and then go back and then go to content restrictions and then in here go to apps and then make sure that allow all is selected and then check to see if the problem is solved or not. If not, then let's move on to the next step. Now for that, what you have to do is go to your settings app again and then this time scroll down and then go to App Store. From here, scroll down again and then go to app downloads. Now in here, make sure that always allow option is selected and then go back from here and then check to see if it is working or not. If not, then there is one last thing that we can try. For that, we need to go to our settings app one more time and then go to general and then scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Now just enter your passcode and then tap on reset, then your network will be reset and your iPhone will restart, and after that hopefully the problem will be solved. And that is how you can fix the problem of iPhone apps not downloading on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.